I'll bet when some of you saw that this video was called Memoir number one, you were thinking, oh great, I get to write another memoir. What I did on my summer vacation, or how I got a double during the All-Star game, or something like that. I don't want you to worry right now about the final product. We are weeks away from what the final product is going to be. I'm going to be doing a lot of brainstorming, including these 6-word memoirs, to help us think of some things that might be significant enough to write a memoir about. And hopefully you'll have a few things by the end, and you'll have a hard time actually choosing one, instead of having a hard time coming up with one. So that's many days down the road. For now, get out your writer's notebook, and you're going to create a page called 6-word memoirs. Write that down right at the top. Okay, here comes an easy question for you. So, how long does a 6-word memoir have to be? I knew you could get it. You're just a genius. Okay, 6 words. I'm not being sarcastic. It's actually got a good reason for it. No less, no more. You got to keep it to 6 words. Your 6-word memoirs can be a statement about how you're feeling during the day. It could be a list of certain things, and I'll give you some examples of those. It can really be anything, as long as it's 6 words and it's related to you and it's true. All right, that's what makes it a memoir. Here are my examples. We have my family. Uh-oh, I got to spin this around. There it is. Listed. That's me. That's my wife. Firstborn, secondborn, thirdborn, and fourthborn. There's 6 of us. Isn't that perfect? It's a nice 6-word memoir. Kyle, Maria, Lucas, Esperanza, Marisol, Abraham. Next, Charlie, Shadow, Zebra, Max, Indy, Sydney. Any guesses? Oh, if you guessed it, those are my pets that I've had in my past. Cats and dogs, all of them. Here's another one. So those first 2 were list examples. Here's one that's not a list example. Skiing down the mountain, fresh powder. Even though it's difficult, I love skiing in fresh powder when no one's ever skied before. Never get enough of it. Interesting story about this one. Brother's fossil magnet looks like scat. That's the word scat. Don't say anything else. This is school appropriate, all right? But my brother went on a dinosaur hunting trip to Canada, spent thousands of dollars, and brought back this little magnet, which if you look at it, does look like a T-Rex head, but from far away it looks like scat. And so when he gave it to me for Christmas one day, and my wife was somewhere else in the room looking at it. She's like, "What is that in your hand?" She thought it was something else, and of course my brother was offended. So I mean, look at that. There's a whole story behind that. Next, kid at Disneyland with an exclamation point, because being a kid at Disneyland, some of the best memories of my life. Last October I took the kids at Disneyland. Ooh, that should be like a frowny face over there. Not quite the same experience when you're a parent with kids. No offense, it's just different. And then finally, this is true, first shift in hockey, knocked over. Jumped right off the boards and got clambered by somebody. Clambered? Clobbered. All right? So how many 6-word memoirs did I write? I wrote 6. How many 6-word memoirs are you going to write? You're going to write 6, all right? And you're going to enjoy it. If you want to write more than 6, fabulous. Make them different, make them funny, make them crazy, whatever you want to do. Just enjoy and be ready on Monday to share 1 or 2 of them with the class, all right? Very good. Bye-bye.